ప్రస్తుతం ఏపీ డీజీపీ గౌతమ్ సవాంగ్ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
ఏర్పాట్ల గురించి మనం వెరిఫై చేయాలి. ఎలాంటి ఏర్పాట్లు ఉన్నాయి, ఒకవేళ కొన్ని మీ దృష్టిలో వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ సీ ఇస్ మేబీ easily lead to accidents, you can suggest the measures for preventing them. You have to talk to those management. You have to talk with those officials. You have to talk to those who are responsible. Whether it is a temple, whether it is a church, or whether it's a mosque, there will always be a group of responsible people who should be taking care of the safety security measures there. And we have also given you already instructions that under the AP Public Security Act that you may have to give notices to all such establishments when you come across certain measures that needs to be taken for the safety and security and for prevention of any untoward incident in such structures and places. Like for example, for instance, the CCTV camera. It's also very important that security is put in place, cameras are put in place. For the cameras also, places where such religious places are very small, you can also motivate the neighborhood. You can also motivate civil citizens who will come forward, and they will also help to erect these requirements. Wherever there are no organized committee or a group, you may also encourage to form such groups to look after those places of worship and also such religious structures and edifices. There has to be somebody responsible. So where there is nobody coming forward or nobody in the near vicinity, the nearest vicinity, whoever is available, you may motivate them, you may organize them so that they take care of the requirement. It is also the responsibility of all those. If somebody puts up any religious structure, religious symbols or anything like that, whoever puts it up also has a responsibility equally to take care of such religious symbols or religious structures or statues or any representing figures. It's not just left, somebody just leaves it in public place like that, and which is again very vulnerable. And such places, when something happens, it may hurt the sentiments unnecessarily. So it is all avoidable. You can have a look at each such location and place and take a decision locally. We cannot have a uniform yardstick or a standard because each place, each location may have their own physical attributes and peculiarities. But it is important that we survey, identify and map each such location. A geotagging chesi, you have to upload it. So that this work has to be completed in the next 3 days. Already మనం చెప్పినామని చెప్పి కూడా 3 రోజులు అయింది. ఇంకా ఈ పని ఆ జియో ట్యాగింగ్ ఇది కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి. దెన్ ప్రతి దాంట్లో ఈ ఆడిటింగ్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆడిటింగ్ రిపోర్ట్ మీ జిల్లా ఎస్పీస్కు ఇవ్వాలి. I think the inspector, circle inspector and SDPOs, they will do the supervision. SHOs will be held accountable and responsible for doing this legwork and groundwork in their jurisdictions. So friends, we do not want the communal harmony to be disturbed in the state because of negligence, because of accidents, or because of some mischief being done somewhere. So whatever it may be, it is our responsibility to react very quickly and then respond and then resolve. But while doing so, we also need to prepare. We need to prepare ourselves for any eventualities. ఒకవేళ ఇలాంటి ఘటనలు కూడా ఏమైనా జరిగినాయి అనుకోండి, రెస్పాన్స్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండ్ దెన్ రీచింగ్ అవుట్ టు వేరియస్ క్రాస్ సెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద సొసైటీ. సో మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఈ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ని ఐడెంటిఫై చేసి ఆడిటింగ్ చేయడం సమయంలో యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఇన్వాల్వ్ ఆల్ ద స్టేక్ హోల్డర్స్ దేర్. అది కాక ఎక్కడెక్కడ కొద్దిగా కమ్యూనల్గా కొద్దిగా సెన్సిటివ్ ఉన్నాయి, గతంలో యూ హ్యాడ్ సమ్ ఇన్సిడెన్సెస్ ఆర్ ఇన్స్టెన్సెస్ ఆర్ యూ హ్యావ్ సైజబుల్ పాపులేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెంట్ రిలీజియస్ గ్రూప్స్, you may reach out to all the such groups. You may form committees, peace committees అని అంటారు మనం గతంలో. సో ఆ పీస్ కమిటీస్ని కూడా రివైవ్ చేయడము. ఐఎమ్ షూర్ దట్ యూ మస్ట్ బి ఆల్ హ్యావింగ్ the peace committees in the past which was been members have been identified. So please relook at those peace committee setup. గతంలో ఏర్పాటు చేసిన పీస్ కమిటీ సెటప్ని కూడా మీరు